Okay, this is a P6 circle question, and I plan to do this is because I think that after talking to some parents, something that made me not comfortable is some students are being told by someone else that they can use Pythagoras theorem or sometimes even algebra to solve the question. Yeah. Again, we are talking about P6s, so let's solve in a method that is comfortable and taught in primary schools. Yeah, of course, if your child is more advanced and you know how to teach your child advanced method, please go ahead because you know your child best. Again, for most kids, it's better to really understand what is being taught in school and really appreciate the basic method to solve primary school maths problem sums. Okay, so here goes. A figure is formed using two quarter circles and two straight lines on a square, grids as shown below. The side of each small square is 4 cm. So again, KC NSU still applies. So K, what are the K? K means the keyword or numbers. Okay, so let's go back again. So two quarter circles and two straight lines on a square grid. Yeah, so this is a square. Then the side of each small square is 4 cm. So 4, 4, 4, 4, and the big square is 12 cm, 4 times 3. So taking pi as 3.14, in some questions it's 22/7, so please use the pi that is given. Find the area of the shaded figure. Okay, so in this case, it looks really funny and odd shape, and I think for children who doesn't really like to do circle questions, they will freak out in a sense that, wow, it looks so complicated. But having said this, I think it's really important to help children to see from a simpler perspective, and we really want to break this 5-mark question into manageable size, bite size in a sense. Okay, so again, whenever I solve a question, I really don't know how to solve it at first. It's about moving one step at a time and never giving up, and then you push on until you get an answer. And even though that step may seem strong at first, you just push through, then figure out, is it the best way? If it's correct, good for you. If it's not, just move on to find another door. Okay, so let's look at this. Can you see this? And one of the fastest way to find the area of the shaded figure is to really take the full square, and minus off the unshaded part. So we have the pink portion, then we have the green portion, which is a smaller size than the pink portion. Then we have the orange portion. Okay, finding the orange portion is easy. So is in fact, okay, because I'm using colors here, so you can, so I will just put area of two squares is 2 times 4 by 4, so 2 times 4 times 4, which is 2 times 16 equals to 32 cm square. Then I want to use blue to find the area of the big square. So area of big square is 12 times 12, which is 144 cm square. Now let's find the area of the pink portion, which is in fact, can you see this big quadrant? So area of the pink shaded area is in fact, I would say 144 because it's the total big square minus of this quadrant, which is a quarter times pi r square. So we have 144 minus of a quarter times, using what is given, 3.14 times the radius r is actually 12 from here as well. So 12 square. So we have 144 minus of, okay, let me use calculator. 144 times 3.14 divided by 4, okay? So it's 113.04. Okay, let's see the answer. So it's 30.96 cm square. So this area is 30.96 cm square. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, though when I first looked at this question, it kind of might freak me out because it looks so funny and looks so weird. Yeah, but again, can you see that after I have segmentized this odd shape into 3 parts, meaning that you take the full area minus off the pink, then minus off the green, then minus off the orange, and it can help you to find the area of the shaded part. So we have found 32 cm square here already, and we have found this. Now left the green, which I'm going to change to a green pen. So same thing, area of the green part is in fact, you just do the same step as finding the area of the pink shaded parts. So again, can you see that this is another small quadrant? Yeah, so we take the second radius, which is 8. So we have, okay, let's slow down because I think that I'm going a bit too fast, and a lot of times when, as adults, when we know our work, we tend to go a bit fast, so the listeners tends to get confused and eventually got lost. So in this case, can you see that to find the green shaded area, I have to take the big square, which has a side of 8 cm square, as in 8 cm of the side. So 8 times 8, the big square, minus of the quadrant, which is a quarter pi r square again, which is 64 minus a quarter times pi times 8 square, which is, calculator, where's my calculator? Divide by 4 times 64, 50.24 minus of, okay, yeah, so this part is in fact 13.76 cm square, okay? So because this is from here, so again we have the pink, the green, and this one, and the orange. So to find the answer, we take the big square, which is 144 minus of, okay, cannot see, right? Minus of 30.96, which is from here, and then you minus off this one, okay, this one, then you minus off this one. Okay, so 144 minus of 30.96 minus of 32 minus of 13.76. Okay, so this is my answer, 67.28 cm square. Okay, so remember to write your units because it's not given. Okay, so